Where exactly do you see valuations looking stretched? Is that a fair comment across the whole of the U.S. market, or are there particular sectors that you're staying away from?
It's not so much sector as size, actually. If you look at the top 10 stocks in the U.S. Equity market in terms of market cap, they are much more highly priced than the rest of the market, even relative to history. So the mega cap U.S. stocks do look somewhat stretched here. And it's not to say they're going to fall. It's just saying that we've sort of priced in a very best case scenario into the U.S. equity market. Whereas if you look at stock markets around the world, in Europe, in Japan, in emerging markets, they look much more reasonable. And I think that's a very important issue as we go into 2021.
And this is a big week for both the political front and from a market perspective in the United States with the Georgia runoff elections. And a lot of investors looking at this event as potentially market moving, given the implications for Joe Biden's policy agenda, the economic recovery, and even the path of interest rates. What do you think the market is pricing in at this point, and how do markets react in the event that the Democrats take both seats and take control of the Senate?
Well, I don't think the markets can price in one result or the other because this is too close to call. It's very, very close. But it is important if the Democrats take control of the Senate, because even in a 50-50 Senate, the vice president has the tie-breaking vote. That would allow, I think, particularly more stimulus, pandemic relief, money for state and local governments. I think you get more of a fiscal push. And in that environment, maybe you get a faster recovery, but you also get higher interest rates. If the Republicans retain control, though, as you said, I think they will tend to block a lot of that fiscal expansion. I think the Senate Majority Leader can stop that even coming to the floor. That means a slower recovery, but it also means lower interest rates. It means the Federal Reserve is going to have to do more to try to help the economy out. So I think it does have big consequences for markets.